Because I have a pretty busy schedule, I usually don't have too much time to spend on cooking. So I found a very quick and healthy solution to my problem, and I would love to share it with you. It takes me about 10 minutes every day to prepare this meal, and that is great if you... Welcome back to another quick self-help video. Today, I am going to tell you my personal smoothie recipe and why it is important to follow a proper diet. Any activities you do require your energy and your attention. Even the most basic stuff like shopping or cooking will consume some of your energy. It might be hard to believe, but even watching television could be tiring for some people. Whether you like it or not, everything that you do drains your energy. There are many factors which can increase or decrease your energy levels. However, for the purposes of this video, I am going to talk about only one factor, and that is the right alimentation. Think of the food you eat like the petrol you put in your car. You get your energy from whatever you eat, same as a car engine is able to run as long as it has petrol. Consider that you own a sports car. You wouldn't want to put low-quality petrol into your Ferrari because that would affect its performance. Exactly the same thing happens with your body. Your overall performance and mental awareness are linked with the food you eat. This is the reason why you must have a proper diet. If you want to be energetic and to function properly, you must eat healthy. I wanted to release this video because this is a very important aspect of personal development. If you are like me, if you love reading, contemplating, conceptualizing, analyzing, connecting the dots, and meditating, that means that you need to take extra care of your brain. You need to provide your brain all the nutrients it needs in order to function properly, because your mental performance is highly affected by the ailments you consume. I would argue that no matter what sort of activities you do, having a good alimentation is key in your overall performance. Remember that the food you eat is one of the most important factors when it comes to your overall being, performance, energy levels, and happiness. Because I have a pretty busy schedule, I usually don't have too much time to spend on cooking, so I found a very quick and healthy solution to my problem, and I would love to share with you. It takes me about 10 minutes every day to prepare this meal. This method is great, and it would help you if you feel like you are spending too much time on cooking. Because I don't eat breakfast, I drink this smoothie about noontime, and it fills me up for 3 to 4 hours, depending on what kind of activities I do. Okay, so let me tell you everything you need to prepare this blueberry smoothie. First and foremost, you need a blender, and I recommend you use something of good quality because you want all the ailments to be perfectly blended. If you don't have that already, make sure you purchase a powerful blender and a recipient where you can store your smoothie. I encourage you to buy as much as you can of organic foods. I usually purchase frozen ailments as they last longer, and that means I don't have to go to the grocery store every day. To prepare the smoothie, you'll need 1 cup of almond milk, 1 cup of blueberries, half a cup of spinach, half a carrot, 1 banana, half of an avocado, half a teaspoon of spirulina powder, half a teaspoon of matcha green tea powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cacao powder. From the research I conducted among all these years, I came to the conclusion that the dairy products are not as healthy for humans as most of us used to believe, because they contain many saturated fats, which can increase the risk of cancer and heart disease. The almond milk is a very good replacement for milk, so make sure you consume it because it contains vitamin D, vitamin E, magnesium, reduces the risk of heart disease, and it is low on calories. Next on the list are the blueberries, and these fruits are widely known for their amazing benefits. The blueberries slow aging, prevent heart disease, improve memory, and they prevent brain and muscular damage. Moreover, they fit into the category of superfoods because they are packed with antioxidants, phytoflavonoids, potassium, and vitamin C, making them the top choice of doctors and nutritionists. Spinach is also known as a superfood, and it is an excellent source of vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C, as well as being a good source of magnesium, iron, and vitamin B2. Same as blueberries, the spinach has many benefits to offer. It can prevent cancer and asthma. It lowers blood pressure, improves bone health, promotes digestive regularity, and it regulates the oil produced in the skin pores and hair follicles. Unlike dairy products, the fats which are found in avocado are good for your health as they are not saturated. There are many other benefits when it comes to consuming avocados. However, it is good to remember that people who eat fruit tend to be healthier. Additionally, avocados are loaded with nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B, vitamin E, and vitamin A. Bananas are widely known for their high fiber content, both soluble and insoluble. Because bananas are high in fibers, they are also good for your heart health, as they can lower the risk of both cardiovascular disease and coronary heart disease. This fruit is loaded with essential vitamins and minerals such as potassium, calcium, manganese, magnesium, iron, folate, and vitamin B6. The carrots are also rich in vitamins, nutrients, and fibers. They can promote weight loss, improve vision, reduce the risk of cancer, and lower blood sugar. Moving next to spirulina, this incredible food is loaded with various nutrients and antioxidants that may benefit your body and brain. Some of the nutrients found in spirulina are vitamin B1, B2, B3, iron, copper, and proteins. Spirulina may be effective against anemia. It may reduce blood pressure, may have anti-cancer properties, and it has anti-inflammatory properties. The green tea is probably one of the most discussed plants, being the healthiest beverage on the planet. It is loaded with nutrients and antioxidants that have powerful effects on the body. These may include fat loss, improved brain function, a lower risk of cancer. It protects the brain in old age, lowering the risk of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, and it reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease. Lastly, the cacao is one of the richest sources of polyphenols, which means that it has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Moreover, the cacao improves the cholesterol levels, it reduces high blood pressure, it lowers the risk of heart attack and stroke, it improves the blood flow to your brain, and it improves brain function. Blend all these ingredients until they become drinkable. You can be flexible when it comes to preparing your own smoothie. I personally love this recipe because it gives me what I need the most, but you may add or subtract any foods which you may consider to be useful or useless. Remember that there is a very close connection between your body and your mind. Therefore, you must pay attention to both these aspects. Write your comments down below if you have any questions. I would love to hear your thoughts about this. Thank you for watching this video, and if you find value in this content, remember to like and share this video with a friend. There are so many other aspects about life which I would love to share with you. I always try to deliver the most practical information which will benefit you for the rest of your life. Some of the stuff we cover may not seem so obvious at the beginning, but if you keep the big picture understanding in mind, I guarantee that you will get the benefits in time. Subscribe to this channel right now and stay tuned for more life-changing information. Stay well, stay focused, and happy.